Everything that I've shown you so far is pretty basic, and it's really what I do to improve my website. There's lots more that I could be doing and that you could be doing with all of the data that Google Analytics provides. One thing that you can do is create goals. So you can actually set up a goal, for example, to increase the watch time or the page view time of your site, or to have people watch a specific video, or to go to a specific page. And I think that's one of the goals that is easiest to track and easiest to use. So here you have the overview of your goals, but you're not going to see any goals. So to set up a goal, just click on admin down here. Under the Video School Online account, on the right, click goals. Here we can create a new goal. Click new goal to do so. For example, if you are creating a webinar page, for example, and you want to track how many people are visiting that page easily, you can call this visit webinar page. The type, you can choose a destination, which is tracking people who visit a specific page. A duration, you're tracking people who visit your site for longer than a specific time. The number of pages or screens per session, or an event, for example, playing a specific video. So I'm just going to use destination. That's very easy. And then under destination, we're going to add the URL. So here is sort of an old webinar that I don't use anymore, but it's a webinar about teaching online. And if I want to add that, I'm going to choose begins with, because you never know how these things work. I just like to choose begins with. And then we want to verify. So no one's actually visited this page in the past 7 days. But for example, if we have this learn option selected, that's for my courses page, and we click re-verify, we can see that 0.88% of people who came to Video School Online came to the learn page. So I'm going to, again, type in the webinar page. And then what's cool about this is that you can actually add a value to this goal. For example, say you did have a product, and for every 1,000 people that visited your page, 100 people bought that product, which would be a crazy high conversion rate. And your product is $10. So out of 100 people that visit, you made $1,000. So out of 1,000 people that visit this page, you made $1,000. So for every person that visits your page, you're actually valuing that person at $1, right? So we can save this, and then we can go back to our goals, and we can see this goal once it starts getting that data. But this is a way how you can analyze whether you want to do ads for this page or not. So if you pay, $100 for ads to send people to this page, is it worth it or not? By calculating how much each page visit is worth, you can figure that out. And you can do that with goals.